The mysteries of Mesopotamian civilization are truly among the wonders of the ancient world, a history hidden in plain sight, a culture that thrives and disappears. But what did they leave behind? Were they just ruins of lost monumental architecture, or is there more to the story? My name is Lucas Lima, architect and professor of art history. I've dedicated the past few years unraveling the intricate ties between art, culture, and the historical events that have shaped our shared destiny. Welcome to my art history series. Imagine a temple from a time before time, its now lost cult statue encased within. From the dust of centuries, we've found a striking female head from Inanna Sanctuary in Uruk, dated 3100 BCE, a possible vision of the lost statue. Its features, a blend of awe-inspiring abstract symbolism and delicate features, hint at the statue's original splendor. The head that once was a part of a seemingly life-size figure evokes an allure of mystery and power. Fast forward to about 500 years later, a collection of sculptures unveils itself in another Sumerian temple at Tell Asmar, their hands clasped around cups, bodies clothed in characteristically fringed skirts, and faces with eyes looking across a millennia. These unique figures may have served as the conduit between mankind and the divine. The two larger figures believed to be Abu, the vegetation deity, and his consort stand in striking contrast with the rest. Sadly, some of these remarkable sculptures fell victim to recent looting in Baghdad. Traveling to the royal cemetery in the biblical city of Ur, we find a testament of the elite's power, even in death. Woolley's excavations in the 1920s unveiled an array of Sumerian art, creating a tangible link to a society that existed thousands of years ago. Two exceptional pieces of Sumerian art from the local cemetery showcase the evolution of visual storytelling in Mesopotamia, the royal standard of Ur and the lyre decorated with a bull's head. The tales from the battlefield glory and the grand banquets are narrated through inlays of red limestone, shell, and lapis lazuli. Each detail is a testament to the artisan's judicious work and the culture's rich visual heritage. And then something more than mere symbols, the cylinder seals. These seals were used by the administration to seal jars and secure storerooms. They provide important information about Mesopotamian life and values, depicting scenes from daily activities to divine and royal scenes. One seal shows a feeding scene for the temple herd, with a distinctive human figure wearing a costume and hat that may identify him as a priest-king. The vessels in the scene are believed to be sacred offerings and provide insight into the temple's wealth. But our journey into the marvels of Mesopotamian art and architecture doesn't end here. In the next episode, we will explore the captivating art of the mighty Akkadian Empire, discover the incredible artistic achievements of a people who dominated Mesopotamia for centuries, leaving behind an enduring legacy of art and culture. And if you want to delve deeper, I invite you to read my meticulously detailed articles that will ignite your passion for art and architecture. Check the link in the description of this video, and together we'll continue to explore the fascinating world of art history, one masterpiece at a time.